For phonics today, we are working on the learning target. I can read GH words. So your directions are to drag and drop the pictures to the correct words. So there are 6 words and 6 pictures. Let's identify what the pictures are. My turn, your turn. Trough. So a trough is where animals eat from. Rough, laugh, tough, cough, enough. So remember that GH together says f. So the pictures again are trough, rough, laugh, tough, enough, and cough. So when you're done dragging and dropping the pictures into the correct spots, you're going to press the turn-in button.